Hey guys, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 8. In today's video, I'm doing a makeup tutorial. Fun fact, this video was actually filmed a year ago. It was filmed last year around the same time. But instead in the original video, I was talking, as you can see. But I edited out all the talking and you just see the makeup part of it, which I can't remember if I uploaded the makeup tutorial to this on my YouTube channel. I know I did on my makeup Instagram, which is at Makeup by Jasmine. Go follow me. But yeah, I'm gonna try to make sure and remember to put what I used, all the makeup products, down in the description box below, just in case you're curious. But yeah, this was a video for Vlogmas last year, but like I said, I was talking. But yeah, I can remember whether or not I uploaded just the tutorial. I could have easily looked, but I figured why not make it a part of Vlogmas this year. And I also thought that it was cool because I'm able to look at my makeup skills from pretty much almost exactly a year ago from today and just see, what I was doing then versus what I'm kind of doing now, even though I haven't been doing makeup that much, which I need to get back on that. But it's really cool just to see my growth. I do believe I have some growth, because you'll see towards the end, like, my face looks kind of powdery, and I know how to fix that now. See, a year ago I didn't really necessarily know how to fix that, but yeah. And also I did my face makeup first, so you'll only be seeing me do like my eye makeup and then my lips, I think highlighter as well. But other than that, my like foundation and my base and stuff, all that is done already. But it's really interesting just to see how I was doing my makeup. I still kind of do my makeup the same, but I think in this video I was trying to do my face makeup first just to save time so the video wouldn't be super long. But in all reality, I do my brows first, then I do my eyes, then I do my face last. It's just easier for me that way. But yeah, I'm pretty, I don't know what the word is, but it's just interesting just to see my makeup from pretty much a year ago. I will say that I do like the eye look. It's just the base, it's the face. Like, certain angles you can see the powder and stuff, and that's not cute. But I kind of know how to fix that now. I will say that right here in this video, my skin looks a little bit like better. Like, it looks smoother and stuff. I feel like now that I'm doing more skincare stuff, I feel like my face is not as smooth. I don't know what that's about, but hey. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I am doing Vlogmas this year, so we're on day 8. So Christmas is like in 2 weeks. But thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video, which is tomorrow. Bye y'all.